So after what feels like months of winter weather, it's starting to finally warm up, become springtime here. And I mean, 2 weeks ago, we actually had snowfall here in the Netherlands. And because of that, if you're like me, during those harsh winter months, you're gonna store your bike in a garage similar to this one. And while it is best to keep your bike indoors, especially during those winter months, there are some things you're gonna wanna do to get your bike spring ready. So the first thing I like to do when I get my bike out of the shed from winter is to give it a nice deep clean. So this might be the most obvious step, but giving your bike a clean will not only get your bike looking good, but it'll also keep your bike running good. The next thing I like to do is grab my pump and pump up my tires. As your bike is stored for long periods of time, it's normal for it to lose some air pressure. You want to pump up your bike to the recommended 2 bars. The next thing we're going to do is check the brakes. It's super important that your brakes are working correctly, as you never know when you're going to need them. Grab your brake levers and see if they engage your brake pads normally. If not, adjust accordingly. If you do want a more in-depth look at how to adjust your brakes, check out the video right here. And the next thing you want to do is apply all-weather lube to your chain. The reason I recommend all-weather lube instead of a dry lube is because all-weather lube will stick to your chain no matter what the weather condition is. Before applying the lube, clean the chain as best as possible with a degreaser, and then apply a good amount of lube to the chain while turning the crank. If you want to keep your chain lubed, check out SUPER73.com. And the last thing you want to do is connect your bike to the SUPER73 app and make sure that it's up to date for when you hit the road. And there you guys have it, 5 tips on how to get your bike spring ready. If you like what you saw, hit the like button, and if you want to see more of this type of content, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on everything SUPER73. See you guys next time.